Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to extract a RAR file in Windows 11. I'll show you guys how to do it. In my desktop I have a RAR file that I want to extract it. To do this, just need to open up Chrome and check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy and paste it and click on search and you will be get the first link winrar.com. Click on it. Just need to scroll down under the latest WinRAR and RAR versions. You just need to select this WinRAR 7.01 and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to click on this WinRAR file and install it. Select yes, select the install option and install it. After getting installed done, select OK option and select done. And now you just need to right click on the RAR file you have. Just right click on it and select WinRAR or here and select extract files. Select the location you want to extract it. In my case, the default location desktop. Select OK option to extract that file. After getting extract done, that file you can open it guys. And that's how you extract RAR file in Windows 11. And that's it for today's video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.